Welcome everyone. Today I'm thrilled to introduce an incredible collaboration method using Photomator via iCloud. In this video, I'll guide you through the seamless process of setting up and utilizing this workflow. Let's dive right in. The first step is to share a folder on iCloud with your colleague. Simply right-click on the folder and select Share. Ensure that the Collaborate option is activated. You can invite your colleague via email or any preferred method. To illustrate this process clearly, I'll split the screen so you can see both my actions and my colleague's in real time. As you can see, my colleague has received and accepted the invitation, granting access to all the photos within the shared folder. Now both parties can open the shared folder using Photomator. Ensure you're in the Files browser and not the Photos browser. Click on Import and add the shared folder. It's that easy. Now both of you can work on the same set of photos simultaneously. For instance, I'll demonstrate how this works by enhancing this breathtaking sky. Notice how any changes I save are instantly visible to my colleague. If my colleague wishes to work on another photo, they can simply add it to the shared folder, and we can both access it simultaneously. For example, if they want to remove a kayak from a photo, I'll see the edits as soon as they save the file. Now, let's address a minor limitation of this collaboration workflow. You can't edit the same image simultaneously. Understanding how saving works in Photomator is crucial. There are several ways to save a document. Using the back button, the red circle X button or Command+W, the space button, the Done button, or from the menu bar by selecting File Save Changes or Command+S. Each of these options triggers the saving action, where all changes are sent to the collaborator. I suggest using the File Save Changes or Command+S option because it's the only way to save your document without closing it. Therefore, if you're both working on the same photo simultaneously, you'll need to coordinate and decide which edits take priority. For example, imagine we're both editing palm trees. If I want to remove one palm and my colleague wants to remove another, we must decide whose changes will be preserved. If I save my edits first, my colleague will receive a warning prompt. They'll have the option to select Continue Editing, prioritizing their changes, or discard edits and reload photo, preserving my recent edits. So if the client presses Continue Editing and saves the file, all of my edits will be discarded and theirs will take priority. This ensures a seamless editing experience without conflicts. In conclusion, while simultaneous editing on the same photo presents a challenge, this collaboration method will revolutionize how you edit photos with family and friends. I hope this method will enhance your collaborative editing experience. If you enjoy the content, I would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and goodbye.